Shiba Inus are now worth an eye-popping $45,000, thanks to recent revelations from Edward Snowden. To this day, Shiba Inu is one of the few cryptocurrencies to enjoy such widespread adoption. Hello, and thank you for tuning into the channel for the Wealthy Coin. You're asked to see this video through to the finish, and if you enjoy it, to hit that like button and subscribe button. You can see the current price of the Shiba Inu for today on the screen, and the trading volume for the past 24 hours is 112,207,074 USD. The price of a Shiba Inu has dropped $3.70 in the past day. SHIB was most likely in the home stretch of his quest for a structural breakthrough. At the time of writing, the market structure was neutral, but the breakout might signal upward momentum. Specifically, the RC Relative Strength Index retested and then curved over the neutral 50 threshold. This evidence indicated a minor uptick in purchasing pressure opposed to the previous downward trend. The FEI Cash Flow Index also increased from the oversold region's bottom to the index's midpoint. That meant there was a huge buildup of stuff. As a result, SHIB can hit the bullish goal of $860.03 if the moderate positive momentum strengthens and the stock breaks above the triangle. To contrast, Chicken's cash flow camp proceeded from the high end and halted at zero. This means that traders and investors should monitor the ETH as it approaches the zero threshold. This could be an indication of a bearish trend reversal. Japanese Shiba Inu. After a successful 2021, Shiba was recognized as one of the leading cryptocurrencies. Now in the present day, it has been lowered from its original depth by more than 90. The present price is close to a key level, and I'll tell you why you should maybe pay a little more attention to it. SHIB's price has been stagnant since the middle of December, and it fell even worse this week. Due to its recent decline, it is getting near to a critical support level. In June, at the low point of the market, the price was last in this range. Can the same level serve as yet another launching pad? Since most cryptocurrencies tend to recover after touching crucial support levels, this would hardly be unexpected. A similar result is likely for SHIB in the near future. Even more so when we factor in a recent warning from Whale Stats. According to the data of the 100 largest death whales, Shiba Inu is now one of the top 10 most traded tokens. This proves that SHIB is still popular, especially at its present price. In breaking news, the SHIB token has risen to the top 10 most expensive digital purchases among the top 1,000 largest whales on Earth over the past 24 hours. Listen up, peps, and check out the top 2,000 rankings and SHIB ratings. The supply distribution shows that the largest groups of households have been steadily building their savings. It appears that the whales are buying the dip. However, detailed inspection of the actual demand shows that retail participation is modest. For instance, by the end of the year 2022, transaction volume had returned to normal levels or even dropped. This could be an indication that the retail sector isn't actively involved. The retail participation rate may have dropped because the weighted attitude plummeted from December 23rd to December 27th, but it has recovered well during the past 2 days, suggesting that traders are becoming more bullish. The bearish momentum appears to have been slowed by the whale's presence, particularly over the past day. As of press time, there has been a little increase of at least $2. In the absence of sufficient liquidity and engagement by whales, a rise is likely. While the price of Shiba Inus has been unchanged since mid-November, the 90-day combined ratio has seen a tiny rebound, suggesting that recent purchases at the present lows are already in profit. The latest obtuse statement from the cryptocurrency's primary developer may spark a new wave of buying. The SHIB community has noticed that Satoshi Kusama has modified his profile once again. Changes made to the Shiba Inu's lead developer position are as follows: "We have company here, don't worry." The SHIB community is currently guessing whether Kusama's enigmatic statement has anything to do with a new partnership or the opening of SHIB area. Given that her current Twitter location is with a new buddy, guess who? An answer at the OSI layer 2. To all the SHIBs, Satoshi Kusama has refreshed his online persona once more. A companion has joined us, so we are no longer isolated. What do you think it is? Do you think it has anything to do with the new alliance or even Siberia? I have no idea. Please, family, I need your help. On Christmas Eve, Kusama stated that 2019 will be a pivotal year for the project, as the release of Barium is imminent. Over half of you have a wonderful holiday season. samarium, base welding if possible. No, it won't be long now, but not when individuals need to be with their families or when they are getting ready to celebrate the new year with friends. Have a wonderful few days ahead. The coming year will be a pivotal one for all of humanity. Since this is a mystery, Siberia is likely the best place to place your bets. A lot of people who own Shiba Inus are quite excited about this coming out. In order to address Ethereum's high transaction cost, low transaction speeds, and low throughput, Shiba Inu has developed a Layer 2 blockchain solution known as Shiba Dream. The Shiba Inu ecosystem will include a metaverse, a DEX, and blockchain games. The Layer 2 blockchain's purpose is to prepare the framework for these features to be built. Work on Siberian has been ongoing for a long time. Trefis, another software engineer, is mentioned here. Hold back on the release for now. Recently, the launch, they stated, must be done cautiously, hence Shibari needs additional time. Shippers, on the other side, think the news may signal a new alliance with another blockchain firm. However, there are no identifying characteristics that point to a specific business. Those who have been holding Shiba Inu would be happy to receive a new price hike. SHIB has lost around 90% of its value since the bear market began. On October 28, 2021, the price hit a record high of 8,819 cents. Even though Shiba Inu is a highly sought-after token, its value plummeted once Binance revealed the news about it on December 19. In 2022, alongside Bitcoin and Ethereum, SHIB will be one of the 3 most closely monitored cryptocurrencies on the market. SHIB is showing a small rise of 0.4% over the previous 24 hours, but it has lost 1.1% over the last 7 days due to uncertainty surrounding the project's primary developer, who was announced not long ago. In the last 24 hours, trading volume has dropped to $59 million, a decrease of 8 from the day before. A tweet by Shiba Inu's chief developer, Satoshi Kusama, in January 2022, has sparked speculation among Shiba Inu hodlers. In his cryptic message, Satoshi said, "By the end of 2022, it will become difficult for me to remain invisible." This was a reference to a conversation he had with his mentor. He ended by adding that once the truth is out, everything will change for the better. If you take that to mean literally, it seems that even introverted Toshi will disclose who he really is. Nevertheless, coming clean about one's identity goes against the grain, forcing onlookers to engage in some interpretive sleuthing. Satoshi hinted that Sebastian's release could occur soon after the new year, saying that it was coming very soon on Christmas Eve. Shiba Inu's evolution beyond a mom coin requires Shibarium, an Ethereum Layer 2 scaling solution. It will have the ability to host metaverse and gaming applications, as well as the release of the timid stablecoin fixed to 1 cent. Several articles about Shiba have been discussed in recent blog postings at Shiba Inu Ecosystem, the multiverse, with a focus on concept art reveals of imaginary places within the virtual world. Losses for the SHIB token so far this year total